Hi Peter, James from SugarBite here. I was just looking at your question on the community, and I did indeed try building a report that at least displayed, or you were able to filter by the currency. And I think the reason for that is the currency that's related to the quote is of course in a related table. It's a related module, but that module for some reason is not included in the map of modules that you can filter by, group by, or display in a report. But I think the way around that is to create a calculated field, and we'll give that a quick go here in this demo system. So if you go into Studio and into quotes and add a new field, call this whatever you like. I'm just going to call this the reporting currency, and what we'll do is we'll add a calculated value to this. And when you edit the formula, you can select from related modules, one of which is of course the tax rates, but that will just display the actual decimal value of the rate. But right at the bottom, there's the module link to the currencies module. And from here, you can select the currency name, the currency symbol, whatever fields is from the currencies module, really. So if we select currency name and save that field, and once that's saved, what we can do is just add that to the layout just to test that it does work. And if it does work, then this is the field that you would then report on. So let's go into layouts and record view, make a little space here and insert my reporting currency field. Okay, let's check that out. So I think it's just doing a browser refresh now that I've made a change. So let's have a look at this quote here. Of course, it doesn't display anything off the bat because it's a new calculated field, which means you'd need to either click on Edit and Save. Then it comes in as US dollars. So that's the field that you then report on. And of course, if you want to mass update all of your historical quotes, all you'll need to do is go into the quotes modules list view, select them all, or apply a filter, select them, and then click on recalculate values. And what that will do is then initiate the calculation of that new calculated field. So if we go into the second quote, it didn't update that one for some reason. I think that's because this currency here, this is the base currency, so in theory it doesn't actually have a name. So that could be the only downfall to this side, is anything that doesn't have a reporting currency name is your base currency inside of Sugar. However, every other currency that you have configured in Sugar, for example Euro, that will then print. You could actually enhance the formula to say that if it doesn't have a name, then insert a text string GBP if GBP is your base currency. Otherwise, just use the formula that we put in as standard. So yeah, you could enhance it that way. I'm not super technical with calculated fields. I leave that to my team to do. But yeah, that's the only downside. But this is now a reporting field. So this will be now the field that you would build your reports on. And as far as I can tell, that's probably the easiest way to be able to report on each quote record's currency. I hope it helps.